Hey, what's up everybody, it's 20 Midnight here, and I've been ordering stuff from wish.com, and I pretty much like the stuff I've gotten so far. Like I got Punisher keychain knife and stuff like that, you know, cool things. There's this spot in the mirror. Ugh. Anyways, I ordered a Halloween mask, which was a Jigsaw Mask. Yeah, I didn't realize that the kind of mask that that you get for free and just pay like $2 shipping and handling. It's like, you know, it's like a kid's mask. Yeah, look at that. It don't fit my face. My face is a big effect. And it's cool, I can use it as a decoration, but yeah, but there's my Jigsaw Mask. On wish.com. You get it for free. Just pay $2 shipping and handling or $3 or something. I don't know, whatever. Cheap Chinese stuff from Wish. I like Wish. You know, a lot of other cool horror stuff, and I'll be ordering stuff like that, so maybe I'll do like reviews now on this channel for you know, horror related stuff. Even though for a kid mask, it's pretty cool. So yeah. Ooh, Jigsaw Mask, yay! Yeah. Yeah.